Come test drive the 2005 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.